How to make money on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I'm here to talk to you about how to make money on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 tips that will help you attract the attention of the audience and grow your channel. So if you're ready to learn how to make money on YouTube, then let's get started. 1. Choose a niche that you are passionate about. The first step to making money on YouTube is to choose a niche that you are passionate about. This will make it easier for you to create high-quality content that your audience will enjoy. When you are passionate about your niche, it will show in your videos, and people will be more likely to subscribe to your channel and watch your content. 2. Create high-quality content. Once you have chosen a niche, you need to start creating high-quality content. This means creating videos that are well-edited, informative, and engaging. Your videos should be of good quality, both visually and in terms of audio. You should also make sure that your videos are relevant to your niche and that they offer something that your audience can't find anywhere else. 3. Optimize your videos for search. In order for people to find your videos, you need to optimize them for search. This means using relevant keywords and tags in your video titles, descriptions, and thumbnails. You can also use YouTube's built-in keyword research tool to help you find the right keywords to use. 4. Promote your videos. Once you have created high-quality content, you need to promote your videos so that people can find them. You can promote your videos on social media, forums, and other websites. You can also run paid advertising campaigns to promote your videos. 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. One way to attract more attention to your channel is to collaborate with other YouTubers. This could involve doing a joint video, guesting on each other's channels, or promoting each other's channels. Collaborating with other YouTubers can help you reach a wider audience and grow your channel faster. 6. Be patient and consistent. Making money on YouTube takes time and effort. Don't expect to become a successful YouTuber overnight. Just keep creating high-quality content, promoting your videos, and collaborating with other YouTubers, and eventually you will start to see results. Here are some additional tips for making money on YouTube that will attract the attention of the audience. Use eye-catching thumbnails. Create titles that are relevant and interesting. Add timestamps to your videos. Respond to comments and questions. Run contests and giveaways. Stay up to date on the latest trends. Be yourself and have fun. By following these tips, you can increase your chances of making money on YouTube and attracting the attention of the audience. Here are some specific examples of content that can attract the attention of the YouTube audience and make you money. Tutorials. People are always looking for ways to learn new things, so tutorials are a great way to attract viewers. Reviews. People love to hear other people's opinions on products and services, so reviews are another great way to attract viewers. Vlogs. Vlogs are a great way to connect with your audience and share your life with them. Challenges. Challenges are a fun and engaging way to keep your viewers entertained. Product reviews. If you have a product or service that you want to sell, you can create product reviews to promote it to your viewers. Affiliate marketing. You can also make money on YouTube by promoting other people's products or services through affiliate marketing. No matter what type of content you create, make sure that it is high quality and engaging. If you can do that, you will be well on your way to making money on YouTube and attracting the attention of the audience. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. If you want to make money online in a way other than YouTube, you can try cryptocurrency exchanges. One of the best ways to do this is the MEXC exchange. If you register on the MEXC exchange via the link in the description, you can get free airdrops and commission discounts on cryptocurrency exchanges. Don't forget to like this video for more tips on how to make money on YouTube. Please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.